good afternoon. My name is Kimberly and I am right now at Tarkwa Bay. I am going to the Lighthouse Beach House. I just came down from the dock and I'm going to show you what you would enjoy when you come to Lighthouse Beach House here at Tarkwa Bay, Lagos, Nigeria. So let's go. There are two ways to get to Lighthouse Beach House. You can either drop at the Tarkwa Bay Jetty and take a quad bike for 5 minutes, or you can drop at the Lighthouse Beach House Jetty. The wave and the state of the waters at the time you arrive will determine which of the jetties you will stop. If you alight your boat from the Lighthouse Beach House Jetty, it means that you will just do a 2 minutes walk from the jetty to Lighthouse Beach House itself. Tarkwa Bay in general is heavily guarded. There's presence of Navy and military, and the Lighthouse Beach House also has its own Navy security guarding the beach house, so you are very well secured when you come here. When you walk in, you're welcomed by a receptionist who confirms your booking and hands you over to a housekeeper. The reception area opens up to the bar area, which then also opens up to the pool, to the ocean view, and to the cabanas. If you want to book for Lighthouse Beach House for your family, yourself, or your group, or your company, just reach out to Campari Tours on 07052 111 502. Until I see you again, it's bye for now.